Hi, this video I'm going to show you how we use the RS232 or the TCP/IP commands to set up the output resolution accordingly. Right now, my application is we have two 4K 60 input source, and then we have 6 HDMI outputs. But all the 6 HDMI outputs on matrix switcher is set as the 4K 60 as default. These two monitor are 4K monitor, that's why we have the image. But this 2x2 video wall is only in 1080p. And now, as we can see, it's actually not showing the image on the displays. So this video we're going to show how we have the displays showing up the contents. Okay, so here's my setting, and basically we have the two input source. One is from the HDMI generator, and we can check out the resolution is 4K 60 Hz, then HDMI cable, then directly into the input card. Another source is from this player, also 4K 60, and we can just check out from the display here. Okay, so this is the resolution for the output to the display, which is from this player. So now I'm just going to switch to the second input. Okay, so this is the input from this HDMI generator, and also the same resolution, 4K 60. Okay, so these two sources are 4K, and the output resolution from the this side to HDMI is connected to this two 4K TV here. Another 4 HDMI outputs are connected to this 2x2 video wall, and now it's not showing the content just because this TV are only a 1080p. Okay, so for the control right now, I have two cable connected. One is use the LAN cable, another one is the RS232. Okay, so firstly, I'm just going to show how we use the COM port, the RS232. I will just have the LAN cable are disconnected, and this one is the out backup. Okay, so LAN cable, RS232 cable, connect to the USB side, and the USB hub connect to my PC. So from my PC, then I'm going to send the commands for the controlling. Okay, so now this is the RS232 commands, which is we can use to set up the output resolutions. And this is the RS232 software which I'm using, and serial. And then my COM port is the COM9, but this COM port we can just get from the computer device manager. Different computer will have different COM port, and the bar rate, and which we can just get from our matrix switcher web GUI control from the setting tab, and then we can just get it. Okay, so the default is to be with the 115 and 200, but right now on my current demo unit is using 9600, and then the other one's database is 8 off, and then we just open. Okay, open it. Okay, so now I just want to set up have this 2x2 display are showing the source images. So basically we just need to copy one of the output resolution, and we just copy as the 1080p these commands. Just copy these commands, and then just back to the software here. So on the software, we need to notice we need to have put as the hex. We need to check the hex commands, and then we can click to send. After we click to send, let's check out on the display. Okay, so now we got one is showing up. Another three screens are also showing up. So right now we have all the displays are showing the image output, and we can check out the resolution on the HDMI generator input source. So it's still 4K 60, but let's check out the output from the matrix switcher to the displays. Now it's 1080p 60 Hz. Okay, this is how we just use the RS232 to change the commands for all the outputs are showing the same. But just because these two TV are still 4K, so we just want to remain these two TV are showing as 4K. And what we can do is we can just change from the commands here. And as you can see on the commands, and here we have FF, right? FF means we're sending these commands to all the outputs. But if we only want to change these two is actually only on the output 1 and 2. So we just change the F as the 0, 1 for the output port 1, 0, 2 for the output 2. So we just back to the RS232 commands, and we just use the 4K for these two display. We can copy these two commands, copy, and we just put on the second line. So we only change for the output 101. We click to send. Okay, so output screen is off now. Let's wait, it's showing up now. Let's check out the resolution. So it's 4K 60 Hz, and that one also we can do the same, or maybe we just use a different one for this one. We just use the 4096 and 2160 for the output 2. Copy the commands, then paste it to the third line, and we change the FF to 0302, means for the output 2 only. Click to send, and that screen is off now. Let's check out the resolution on this one. Okay, so this monitor is showing as 4096 by 2160, and this monitor is showing as 3840 by 2160, and these displays are showing as 1080. So basically with the RS232 commands, we can just send to control like all the outputs, but we also just can control individual output. Okay, so this is the one way to change the output resolution by sending the RS232 commands. Okay, thank you.